Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an API token in your table. So if you need an API token as a developer, let me show you how you can easily get one. In your account, click your profile on the upper right and click on account overview. And so you'll be in your account overview right here, and you can scroll down on this page and you'll find API. Go to the developer hub right here, as you can see the button, and from here you will now have the option to create a token. So click create token, and you want to go ahead and click create token again in this section. Give your token a name. I'm going to call this one Drew, for example. And yeah, you can add a scope if you want to do that, and you can also add all resources, you can add a base and so forth. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose something here, for example, and I'm going to just leave the accesses as is under here for the resources, and just simple click and create token. And you will see right away that it now gives me the token code right here, so I can get this, copy this token ID right here, and I can click on done, and I have it. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. And that's how you can easily go ahead and access your personal token after you create it by following the same steps. That's how you go ahead and create a token for Airtable on your account. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.